I'm here at the Temple House and I'm going to try a kimchi wagyu beef burger. Let's look at this burger. Look at how different it is. Korean style. Kimchi at the bottom and 2 layers of beef. My goodness, I don't know if I can eat it just holding it up. It's got a bit of a shawarma style to it. A little crispy on the top and at the bottom. Very squidgy, you can see all of the juices just at the top over there. First bite you can just taste beef mainly. Nothing else really, just beef. I think I need to get some of that kimchi in there. So I can't get a lot of that kimchi taste. Well, still at the back, a little bit at the back. So let's just put that in the front. This is exciting. It's not a traditional burger that you get. So. The bit acidic and that kimchi cabbage was spicy. Looks towards you in your mouth. The burger is probably processed and cooked quite well done. Tanginess to it, like sweet, Thai chili sauce. Different twist to a burger. Drama style. Oh, it's leaking. But all the others, look at this, like McDonald's style fries over here. Ooh. Can you see here? There's no beef here. Just pure of that spicy mayonnaise that they put in there and kimchi. Let's take a bite of that. They call the mayonnaise when it's set in the back, if you can see that. So. Oh. Yes. Now you get more of that kimchi spice coming through. You get that spicy mayonnaise, and now you can get all the flavor, the tanginess, the sweetness. Now it's tasting really good. I wonder why it's led all the way to the back though. The casing for it, the shawarma style casing is probably not the ideal or the best casing fit, but it tastes good regardless of that. Now that I can taste it, some gherkins in there. And straight back into that kimchi beef burger. At this point it's just spicy mayonnaise burger. Very good. Spring Festival 2024. How beautiful the setup here in Chengdu is at Thai Kuli, one of the most famous spots in Chengdu.